You ever feel like your exposed bulbs are, I don't know, too exposed? Cover up and protect those puppies using Color Cord Company's bulb cages.
Available in geometric and industrial styles, our cages easily attach to most light sockets and are held secure with 2 screws. Each style is available in multiple colors and finishes and will add another level of interest to your pendant fixture while also protecting your bulb from the dangers of its household world. Our bulb cages are compatible with our basic, shade-ready, porcelain, and brass sockets. Simply attach it to the light socket and insert the screw through the brackets for a secure fit. We also offer a flex cage in a raw metal finish. These cages will give you an old-timey feel with some modern edge. Compatible with most light sockets, the flexible wings allow you to easily replace a light bulb as well as style the cage in an open or closed look. Our cages will give your pendant fixture new life and provide a fresh outlook on how you can apply pendant lighting to your particular application.